What's up homies, welcome to a new goddamn juicy video. My name is Sopacrip and today I'm gonna show you how to install Photoshop on Linux, or precisely Archlinux based distros. Before we begin, sorry for the background noises and let's begin. Okay, open a terminal. Also I forgot, here's the GitHub page. You can go and check it by yourself. Oh shit. Copy. Yep. And right now open a terminal and install Wine if you don't have it on your system. Sudo pacman, and before you install Wine, you should update your repositories, and everything's updated. Now let's wait for this to get finished, and boom. Now install Wine and Wine tricks. Bam, and wait for it to get finished. Okay, with that done, go ahead and install Git if you don't have it. Oh yes, we don't have Git, so that we can clone the GitHub repositories. Now make a directory if you want to. So I like to do it to organize my home folder, you know what I'm saying, and packages, and clean this. And now git clone the repo, the Photoshop repo. Clone. Oh shit, I can't type it here. Clone and cd to the Photoshop disk, and here. Also, we need to change the setup.sh script into an executable script by change mode +6 and setup. Okay, now if you can't trust this, you can always go to the GitHub page and check all of the code over here. Okay, so yeah, run the code. Run the script, not the code. Okay, you will see something like this. And we want to install Photoshop, so we'll type 1, and it's gonna start doing its magic, you know what I'm saying, bro. Also you will, something like this gonna pop up. It's called Wine. Click on install. Basically, Wine stands for Wine is not an emulator. It's basically something that makes Windows stuff work on Linux, but it's not an emulator, bro, you know what I'm saying. Keep that in your mind, okay? And wait for it to get finished installing. Damn, this shit is taking too long. Come on, bro. Move, yes. Okay, now this is gonna pop up, and choose Windows 7. That's it. You know what I'm saying? And click apply, and okay. Some stuff gonna pop up, and again, just install them. They are necessary for Photoshop to run. Okay, you might face a problem here like I did. Look at this. Error. Sorry, something went wrong during download Photoshop CC version 19. This is due to the the SSL certificate just failed. You know what I'm saying? It has been expired. Don't worry. The fix is that we will only need to modify a specific line of code, which is so easy. Just add insecure. Okay, ls, and go to scripts. Ls again, and vim shared functions. Okay, now go to line 197. Unfortunately, I don't have lines here, so I need to look manually, you know what I'm saying. Go to the curl. Wait a minute, I hope I can find it quick. Yes, here it is. Type I to type, and go here and add -- insecure, and then tab escape .x to save, and then repeat the process. Set up, oh shit, cc setup and 1. Okay homies, unfortunately I faced this problem. Like if you open Photoshop on Nvidia OS especially, it will give you a black screen. So to solve that, open an already existing Photoshop file. So I went to this YouTube video where he made like my boy Siso made a thumbnail template, and I did download it. Then I will open it using Photoshop. But the problem here, let's wait for this to open. Yes, it will work. It must work, okay? And as you can see, here is Photoshop. You can use it, make thumbnail with it, I can't speak. And as you can see, bam, boom, boom, boom. You see this? This is crazy, bro. God damn. And yeah, this is the end of the video. See you guys next time, and stay positive.